Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create captions for your media using SyncWords. Go ahead and sign into your SyncWords account. You'll arrive on the dashboard. That's the command central of your SyncWords account. Let's go ahead and create a new project so you can see just how easy it is to use SyncWords to create and manage caption files. The first thing you have to do is give your project a name. Although not required, you can also add a description and some tags to the project. Both of these fields are fully searchable, so not only do they provide valuable information on a given project, they can also help you locate a project if you need to come back to it at a later time. Now scroll down the page and set the primary language of your media. It is important to select the proper language to ensure optimal results. SyncWords accepts most commonly used audio and video file types. You can upload your media from your local disk or provide a shareable URL to your media that is not private or password protected. Next, you'll need to provide a transcript. If you don't have a transcript, SyncWords offers professional, high-quality transcription services. To take advantage of this service, select the No, I do not have a transcript option and choose either standard transcription or rush transcription, depending on how quickly you need the job completed. Additionally, you can choose the ASR or automatic speech recognition option, which is computer generated and included in the cost of creating captions. You can provide notes and support documents for the transcriptionist, such as the correct spelling of names, acronyms, or even upload a support document if you have one handy, like a syllabus or notes from the event. Since we already have a transcript for our media, let's go back to the first option here and upload it from our local disk. Once your media and transcript are uploaded, you can review the cost of your project and then simply click the Begin Project button on the right, or additionally request our Premium Pro Sync option, which offers users the opportunity to have their synced files hand-checked and optimized by a SyncWords specialist. This does not include corrections to any transcripts supplied by customers or via ASR. The project is now processing and SyncWords is timing your media to the transcript. In just a few moments, your captions will be ready for download. The amount of time it takes for SyncWords to create a caption file depends on the length of your media, about half the actual runtime. Now that our project is complete, we can go ahead and retrieve our captions. Every synced project includes the SyncWords default captions preset, which contains SRT, VTT, and SCC formats, using 32 characters per line by 2 lines. You can easily add other output formats by clicking the blue gear icon on any existing caption file preset and selecting the output you want to add. To create a new caption file for this project using different settings, just click the Create New Caption File button. Set the values for characters per line and number of lines per segment, and optionally open and adjust the advanced options. Select the output formats you want to download, give your caption file a name, and you're ready to go. If you have an existing preset, you can load it from this dropdown. If you want to use these settings again in the future, you can create a new caption file preset by clicking here and giving your preset a name. You can also update an existing preset by selecting it from the dropdown. Favoriting a preset from the caption file presets page will automatically create this caption file on new projects going forward. Now that everything is set and we have selected our settings, decided on whether to create or update a preset, and given our caption file a name, we can click the Create Caption File button and wait for our file to be generated. The length of the media will determine the time it takes to generate the file, but typically you should get your file back within a minute. Once the caption file is ready, you can click the download button or open it in the editor to view your captions overlaid on your media and make any adjustments if necessary. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial. You can visit our knowledge base at support.syncwords.com for more detailed articles on SyncWords.